Hello children, let's try to solve this question from real numbers, grade 10 mathematics. So the question says the sum of two numbers is 528. So let's say we have two numbers, capital A and capital B. The two numbers add up to 528. Now the second clue which is given to us is that the HCF of the number is 33. HCF is the highest common factor. So that means both the numbers have this 33 as a factor. If we see the number individually, so that means the number A must be something 33 and then times something. So let's say A is 33x. Similarly, let's say B is 33y. So we get a linear equation here. If I take 33 common, 33 into x plus y is equal to 528, which means that x plus y is equal to 528 by 33, which is 16. So that means we have got a situation wherein x plus y is equal to 16. So now remember here that these are not the numbers. X and y are just these factors with which 33 is getting multiplied. So we don't have any clear clue on what x and y is. So we will look at all the possible combinations. For example, if let's say we start by taking x is equal to 1, then naturally y will be equal to 15 because we have to justify that x plus y is 16. So in that case, the numbers will be, so I'll write here 33x and 33y. So in that case, my number will become 33 and 33 into 15, which will be 33 into 1 is 33 and 33 into 15, 495. And you can check when you add both the numbers, you get 528. So this makes sense. So next we'll look at the next possibility. Now next possibility is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 14. But this may not work because we know that the highest common factor between the two numbers was 33. And now if I take 2 and 14, they are not co-primes. That means there is another factor 2 which is common out of them. So I will ignore this option because in that case, the HCF will not be 33. Then I have 33 into 2 as a common factor as an HCF. So this option will be ignored. So then similarly, we'll move on to further options. Let's say x is equal to 3. If x is 3, then y will be 13. So in that case, the numbers will be 33 into 3 and 33 into 13. So 33 into 3 will be 99 and 33 into 13 should be 429. So in that case also we can check that yes, both the numbers are in the form of 33x and 33y and they add up to 528. Similarly, let's say x is equal to 4 and in that case y is equal to 12. Again, then we have a common factor 2 here. They are not co-primes. So in that case, we will not have just 33 as a common factor among both the numbers. So we will ignore this option as well. So now next going forward will be x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 11, which makes sense. In that case, my numbers will be, so I'll write here rather, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 11. So in that case, my numbers will be 33 into 5, which is 165, and 33 into 11, which will be 363. So the next combination can be x is equal to 6 and then y is equal to 10. Again, this will not work because we have a common factor 2 as well. So we'll move on to the next one. So which will be x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 9. Yes, these are co-primes. So the numbers will be 33 into 7, which is 231, and 33 into 9, which will be 297. And then we'll try x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 8, which is again not possible both are the same numbers. That means 8 is also a common factor. And after that, if I try x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 7, then the stream reverses. Stream reverses here. So that means all the possible combinations are already done. So we can have 4 possible pair of numbers, 33 and 495, 99 and 429, 165 and 363, then 231, 297. Thank you so much. If there is anything, please comment. Thank you.